Hi, I'm Jeff McKay, Chairman of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors. May 1st through 7th is Early Childhood Education Week in Fairfax County. Early childhood educators set our children up for success, engaging young minds and encouraging care and respect for others in every activity. Early childhood education instills the values of a caring community that are the cornerstone of Fairfax County. Throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, we have all seen the value of our early childhood educators. Child care centers, including our own Center for County Employees, stayed open throughout the many challenges of this pandemic so that our frontline essential workers could serve our community while knowing that their own children were safe and cared for by their incredible teachers. Our early childhood educators help keep our county running, literally, and our young children inspired. That said, I have a proclamation to share with all of you today. Whereas the Fairfax County Department of Neighborhood and Community Services Office for Children and organizations nationwide recognize early childhood educators in May, and whereas early childhood educators in Fairfax County work in nearly 2,000 programs, including family child care homes, child care centers and preschools, serving thousands of children from birth through elementary school. And whereas Early Childhood Educators Week and work in partnership with families to support children's learning and development and the education and care they provide help promote school readiness and ongoing success in school and life. And whereas early childhood educators are an essential part of our community, supporting working families and providing quality development and learning programs that contribute directly to the future economic well-being of the county. And whereas early childhood educators make a positive difference in the lives of children, families, and our community. And whereas early childhood educators have worked tirelessly throughout the pandemic and continue to adapt to new needs and changing safety guidelines, now therefore be it resolved that the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, on behalf of all residents of Fairfax County, does hereby proclaim May 1 through 7, 2022 as Early Childhood Educators Week in Fairfax County and urges all residents to recognize early childhood educators for their important work in the community. I know that Early Childhood Educators Week is not just one week, but every week of the calendar year. Thank you for joining me in celebrating Early Childhood Education Week, and special thanks to the fantastic team of early childhood education teachers in Fairfax County.